boarding requested. Passengers bus is coming.
Hello.
Cabin crew, fuel is on board, catering service has been completed and we're just waiting for load sheets so you can start boarding now.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard. So that we can get moving as quickly as possible, please put your hand luggage underneath the seat in front of you, and any larger items can go into overhead compartments. If there is no space in the overhead compartment but your seat, then please use the nearest one available. If you are seated in our very front rows, or at rows 15 and 16, then for safety reasons, all of your hand luggage and loose items must be placed in the overhead compartments. Please make sure that nothing is blocking the aisles or the emergency exits. And if we ask you to leave the aeroplane quickly, leave all luggage behind. Once you've found your allocated seat, then please stand in from the aisle to allow fellow customers to board. Please select flight mode on all the electronic devices in preparation for takeoff, and any larger electronic devices like laptops must be switched off and put in your hand luggage, along with any bottles or heavy items. The pilots will say hello in just a little while and give you more information regarding your flight. But in the meantime, we ask you to take a look at the safety viewer card, which is in the seat pocket in front of you. And this is to familiarise yourself with our onboard safety procedures. Once again, a very good afternoon and welcome aboard. If there's anything the crew could do to make your flight more comfortable, then please don't hesitate to ask.
Welcome on board. This way. Good afternoon. This way. Good afternoon. This way. Hello. Boarding pass, please.
November Whiskey lineup, report ready. November Whiskey, clear to take off runway 11. Wind 110 degrees, 15 knots. After airport, right turnout.
Ladies and gentlemen, very shortly we'll be ready for departure, so all your mobile phones and electronic devices should be switched
Pre-flight
off.
checklist.
Pre-flight checklist.
Down 1257.
Oxygen
Tested 100%.
tested 100%. Navigation transfer and display switches. Normal auto. Windows heat on. Pressurization mode selector. Auto. Flight instruments.
November X-ray, line up runway 11.
Heading 026. Altimeter 1009.
Heading 026. Altimeter 1009. Parking brake.
November X-ray
Set.
tower,
Engine
clear to
start
take off runway
levers.
11, wind 160 degrees, 15.
Cut off.
Pre-flight checklist completed.
Delta Charlie, at tower, hold position, traffic on final.
Are you ready for the departure brief?
Go ahead.
Okay, no pushback, start on the stand. Taxi route will be assigned by the ATC. It will be a left seat takeoff using rated thrust planning and flaps 5 takeoff. NTIs will be off, standard reject actions to V1 as briefed. From V1, or if the call is continue, I will continue the takeoff as per standard company procedures. We are under our maximum landing weight, so we are okay to make an immediate return. The departure routing will be via ATC vectors. No nose abatement procedures required. Any questions, comments or concerns?
No questions.
Departure brief complete.
492 airborne, passing 1500 feet on the runway heading.
Before start checklist.
Stand by.
Tower. PS52, Ivatsa, confirm request. Ethiopian 3852.
Before start checklist.
Before start checklist. Flight deck door closed and locked. MCP.
V2 146, heading 026, altitude 7000.
Takeoff speeds.
V1 136, we rotate 138, V2 146,
CDU pre-flight.
completed.
Rudder and aileron trim.
3 and 0,
Taxi and takeoff briefing.
completed.
Anti-collision light. On before start checklist completed.
Ethiopian 3852, Ivat Tower, clearance Ivat to Addis, flight level 340, 1 airborne, climb via kick in 1 eco departure. Ethiopian 3852, Ivat
Start
Tower,
sequence
clear
is
to
2,
take off
then
runway
1.
Check.
180 degrees, 12 knots.
Take off runway 11, Ethiopian 352.
Ethiopian 3852, Ivat Tower, airborne time 16, contact Narita 125.7. Nice flight, bye.
125.7, thank you very much. Good day, Ethiopian 352.
Start engine 2.
Starting engine 2.
Oscar Papa, Ivat Tower, liftoff approved, direction 11, wind 150 degrees 7 knots, right turn, Rudolph flight prohibited areas.
Oil pressure.
5 Romeo Mike, November X-ray at Tower. Enter back truck, line up runway 11. No reported traffic level at 5 Tolania. Port ready. November X-ray Tower. Be advised that we've got helicopter in Delta 7. Cleared for takeoff runway 11, 180 degrees 10 knots.
Starter cutout. Number 2, stable.
Start engine 1.
Starting engine 1.
5 November X-ray Tower, born time 47, scope 1236.
Oil pressure.
Mike Romeo Tower to copy at 6 clearance. Clearance Iva through Longaros at level 330. When airborne, climb via Tango Echo and Echo departure.
Starter cutout. Number 1, stable.
Departure approved. Report lined up, ready for departure. Nova traffic, lined up, ready runway 11. Same route, same destination, requesting same level, level 85. Departure anytime, and Nova Bianchi. Confirm our.
Flaps 5.
Mike Romeo approved to enter back truck, line up runway 11, report lined up, ready for departure.
Flight controls check complete.
And of X-ray Tower, contact 1025.7. On the back.
Before taxi checklist.
Before taxi checklist. Generators on, probe heat on, anti-ice off, isolation valve. Auto, engine start switches, continuous, recall, checked, auto brake, RTO, engine start levers.
Idle detent.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Ground equipment.
Clear.
Clear. Before taxi checklist completed.
Clear left.
Clear right.
Five Romeo Hotel Mike Romeo Tower. Cleared for takeoff runway 11 160 degrees 7 knots. Mike Romeo Tower, Boeing 757, contact 125.7. Nice flight, no back.
Flight deck. Okay, thanks. Captain, the cabin is secure.
Before takeoff checklist.
Before takeoff checklist. Flaps.
Flaps 5, green light.
Stabilizer trim.
4.0 units.
Before takeoff checklist completed.
Request taxi clearance for flight navigation. 3 person on board with 3 hours and 30 minutes of fuel endurance. Pilot's name is Nicolas Henry with instructor sound recruiters.
Alpha Romeo, Eva Tower, taxi holding point, whiskey taxi, we're runway 11, 160 degrees, 9 knots, QNH 1025, time check 0917, brake, scook 5601, confirm level 75. Alpha Romeo, you had sound line up runway 11, no reported traffic level 75, destination, report ready for departure.
Before takeoff procedure.
Okay, cabin crew, take your seats. Clear on the approach.
Alpha, you had continue taxi, Chevrolet Plan 5, brake, Alpha Romeo, you had tower 1 ready, cleared for takeoff, runway 11, 190 degrees, 10 knots.
Takeoff.
Cabin is still not secure.
One time 25, contact radar 125.7. Bye bye.
Hi, it's Andy at L1. How can I help you?
Contact standard 125.7, put by Alpha Romeo.
Thrust set. $80 knots.
Checked.
Tower 731210.
V1. Rotate.
Sorry, 312 tower, good morning, go ahead.
Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up. $400 feet.
Engage LNAV.
LNAV.
Romeo, Courier Charlie, and 5 requesting departure information.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked.
Command A.
Autopilot on. Flaps 1 set.
Currently 312 tower, wind 180 degrees, 9 knots, runway 11 in use, temperature 15, 2.11, QNH 1024.
Flaps up.
Speed checked.
Transition set standard.
Standard set. Passing float level 040. Flaps up set. Now.
Checked. After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist. Engine bleeds. On. Packs. Auto. Landing gear. Up and off. Flaps. Up. No lights. After takeoff checklist complete. Happy to release the cabin crew?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Salut 312, read back, correct. Turn line up runway 11, report ready.
Turn line up runway 11, report ready, Salut 312.
Alpha Echo Kilo, Iva to tower, wind 180 degrees 9 knots, QNH 1024, scope 5654, report position.
Zotac Romeo, Iva tower, good afternoon, turn right downwind runway 11, wind 110 degrees 18 knots, QNH 1024, report on right downwind.
H1024, report downwind runway Ryzen, downwind runway 115, Romeo, attend Macron.
Flight level 100. Happy to release the cabin?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Portable electronic devices may now be used, with the exception of TVs, radios, two-way transmitters, or any other device in a transmit mode, as these devices may interfere with the aircraft's communication and navigation systems.
Number 1, report final runway 115, Hotel Macro. Short final runway 11, Hotel Macro.
Hotel Mike Romeo, you got tower clear to land runway 11, wind 110 degrees 15 knots.
Clear to land runway 11, Hotel Macro.
Roger, left base for runway 29, report on left base.
Kilo Delta will call you left base runway 29.
Quebec number 1, report on final 11.
Tower France 6742, demanding solution, localizer 11.
France 6743 Tower, good morning. Continue LA63 runway 11 approach. Wind 130 degrees 10 knots, QNH 1027, report 4 miles on final.
Merci à la LS6 11, QNH 1027, vol 185.
Air France 6743 Tower, clear to land 11, wind 150 degrees 8 knots.
50, 8 knots, France 6742, clear to land runway 11.
Alpha Romeo Alpha configured.
5 Romeo Alpha Tango, Eva Tower, good day, turn left downwind, runway 11, wind 130 degrees, 9 knots, QNH 1027, report on left downwind. Alpha Tango, clear to land 11, wind 120 degrees, 15 knots.
Runway 11, clear land, Tower.
Romeo Mike Kilo Delta 9, good morning, go ahead.
Tower, good morning, France 934, establish on localizer.
France 934 Tower, good morning, continue LS Zulu runway 11 approach, wind 150 degrees 9 knots, QNH 1027, report 4 miles LS on final.
Accurate 4 miles LS on 934.
to level.
Victor Mike clear to touch 11, wind 180 degrees 10 knots, left turn.
So, France 934, good morning.
France 934, good morning, continue approach LS Zulu runway 11, wind 150 degrees 14 knots, QNH 1018, correction QNH 1028, report 4 miles final.
So, QNH 1028 and we report 4 miles final on LS Zulu 11, and France 934.
Climb plateau 360 and 157 Turkish 6096. Thank you. Heavy climbing plateau 360.
Climb flight level 360, flight en route.
Climb plateau 360, flight plan route Turkish 609.
Corsair 773, climb level 350, flight plan route. Go ahead, your estimate, 2 bit please. Code 950, maintain flight level 380, report passing Maro.
Good evening, Air France 935, climbing flight level 300.
MSFS 03, report 5000.
Okay, well done. SRV 104 with you climbing to 2000 feet.
Salut 504 Tower, good morning, identified. Climb level 150 to Xari, report estimate.
To XRE at 56, max tempo 0610, Saudi 504.
Salut 504, report contact established with Thomas.
Are you contact with Thomas, Saudi 504?
5 Romeo Mike Hotel November, good morning, go ahead.
You have control.
I have control.
Correction 0529, we're climbing flight level 105. We estimate position UPCA time 0629 and landing time should be at time 0649 at Mazanga.
Copy 5 Hotel November, we have no reported traffic at level 105. Report passing 60 nautical miles southbound.
Report passing 60 miles southbound 5 Hotel November, thank you sir.
Entry at 52, maintain 340, contact confirmed 1289.
Hi, it's Andy at L1. How can I help you?
Hi, can you bring some water, please?
Okay, I'll bring them up in a minute.
52, if you don't have contact for the moment, try again at Mike calls, flight level 340.
Hi guys, here are the drinks.
Thank you.
Alpha Echo Kilo, contact Eva to tower 1201.
This frequency, maintain level 340. On 276, maintain level 350. I'll call you back for lower.
Request please.
Star 635 radar, descent flight level 120.
Descent level 120 by star 635.
$1,000 to level.
France 6742, request descent.
France 6742, star on present heading, descent flight level 90.
On present heading, we descend to level 090, France 6742.
Air France 6742 radar, proceed to P3 for P31 Delta Horizon.
Air France 6742, I'm sorry, reading you 1 out of 5, could you say again please?
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments we'll begin our meal service for the flight. Please refer to the menu given to you upon boarding for the 2 meal choices and your beverage choices available. We request that you keep the aisle clear to assist the flight attendants to serve you efficiently and also for your own safety. Thank you.
Radar Vega 5, Premier Alpha Tango.
Alpha Tango 25 for 6,500 feet.
Climb level 90 to Xari and report Xari to Amasina Bitano.
Climb level 90 for Xari or report Xari and Thomasina in contact with my level.
6742 when established on localizer, contact tower 120.1.
When established on localizer 120.1 on 6.
94, you're showing 6,500 feet, command at 7,000.
Air France 934, QNH 1067, 7,000 feet.
Alpha Tango radar, then 8,300 feet on QNH 1027.
Good afternoon, Turkish 609 Heavy, out of flight level 11, climbing flight level 380.
Turkish 609 radar, good afternoon, sir. Identified, climb flight level 380, and report for entire boundary China.
Climbing flight level 380, and stand by for the estimate, Turkish 609. Turkish 60950, estimate, position Kenan, boundary 1428.
1428, copy, report, continue CPDRC, have a nice flight.
Continue CPDRC, thank you very much, have a great afternoon, Turkish 60950.
Radar 5 Hotel Delta, GSX morning.
5 Hotel Delta, Juliet Sierra, radar, good morning.
Climbing is clear.
Delta, Juliet Sierra, radar contact, climb flight level 260 is filed. And next report position, off guard.
260, off guard next, 5 Juliet Sierra.
General Radar, this is 5 Alpha Golf Bravo, good day.
Romeo Alpha Golf Bravo, radar, good day.
Scoggin 5126, Golf Bravo.
Bravo, radar contact, climb flight level 240. And confirm estimate ETH.
Clouding 240, estimate QR 0941, Golf Bravo.
It was 150 miles, flight level 240.
Max 150, 240, Golf Bravo.
Maintain flight level 230, report Gacha.
Okay, next report position, get there, Terrace 9318.
Radar Brigade 5, Romeo Alpha Tango.
Alpha Tango radar identified for 6,500 feet. Climb level 90 to Xari and report Xari to Amasina Bitano.
Climb level 904 Xari, or report Xari, and Thomasina in contact of our tank.
Radar recipient trace 52, good afternoon again, out of flight level 86, climbing flight level 340, Kekin 1 Echo.
Japan 3852, radar, good afternoon again. Identified, climb 340, Kekin 1 Echo departure, then flight plan route over.
Continue climb flight level 340, Kekin 1 Echo, flight plan route, Japan 3852.
Japan 3852, report estimate position barrel.
Say again the position, Japan 3852.
Japan 3852, barrel, Bravo, Echo, Romeo, India, Lima, fire boundary.
Oh, estimate barrel 1123, Japan 3852.
Japan 3852, copy.
Emergency GSC, we at 5,000 feet on Fox will be at 1008.
Emergency 03, clear for wireless approach, descent 4,000 feet, report Foxtrot.
Descent 4,000 foot, Connect 1019, that kid out is
Radar 38504, Squawk 5273, good afternoon.
38504, radar, good afternoon. Identified, climb flight level 1502 Xari, go ahead.
Climbing flight level 1502 Xari, estimating Xari.
Radar Charlie 530, good afternoon, Squawking 5220.
Charlie 530, good afternoon. Identified climb level 180, report first.
Climb to flight level 190, estimating TMA boundaries 955 and Sierra Mike 1020.
Charlie 530, Roger, report contact established with Thomas.
Golden X, contact with Thomas, Natali 530.
Tango is continue down 8,000 feet, finish 1023.
Continue down to 8,000 feet on 1023, final Tango.
Sierra Lima Echo 101, report passing Ixaco.
Passing Ixaco next, Sierra Lima Echo 101.
Alpha Tango, descend 7,000 feet, QNH 1023, clear, dial 63, runway 11 approach.
Descend 7,000 feet, 1023, clear for the ILS X-ray 115 Tango.
Passengers and cabin crews, please be seated and fasten your seatbelt.
6,000 feet, 1023, contactor 120.1.
Approved, 6,000 feet next, and contact tower 5 Tango.
Afternoon, sir. We're 6,400 feet, climbing 070, squawking 5217. We're expecting destination 1215, 5 Alpha Tango.
Alpha Tango, roger. Radar identified, report destination inside.
Radar identified, report destination inside next 5 Alpha Tango. Radar 5 Alpha Tango.
Alpha Tango, go ahead.
Requesting non-standard 060 just to maintain Victor Mike Charlie.
Alpha Tango approved, northbound traffic 6, Throttle 6 here.
5 Alpha Tango.
Salut 521 requesting descent. Salut 521, descent 7,000 feet, QNH 1023, clear the LS63, runway 11 approach.
Descent 7,000 feet, QNH 1023, clear the LS63 approach, runway 11, Saturday 531.
Hotel November, approaching 60 miles, contact formation 128.19, report contact established.
Saudi 521, contact tower 120.1 today.
Tower 120.1 today, Saudi 531 today.
Radar, good evening, Turkish 6122 heavy passing 7,000 feet.
Turkish 6122 heavy radar. Good evening, climb flight level 400 and proceed direct position, side off.
Climb flight level 400 and second, waypoint please.
Turkish 6122, proceed direct position, Gardeno.
Gardeno direct, Turkish 6122.
Turkish 6122, report estimate for Gardeno.
Estimate 1653, Turkish 6122.
Gardeno 1652, copy.
Radar, Saudi 321, request descent.
Saudi 321, descent 7,000, QNH 1025, clear by Salut runway 11 approach.
Descend in 7,000 feet, QNH 1025, clear for the approach ILS Zulu, runway 11. Radar, Saudi 321, checking Balvi.
Saudi 321, contact tower 120.1, goodbye.
Bye bye, contacting Namibe tower 120.1.
Radar, the 313 request descent.
Charlie 313 radar, descent flight level 090.
Descent 90, the 313. Radar, the 313 request descent.
Charlie 313 radar, descent flight level 090.
Descent 90, the 313.
Quebec report at Delta 7.
Report not Delta 7, Alpha Quebec. Is that Delta 7 Victor Alpha Quebec?
Alpha Quebec Roger, report in 10 minutes.
We report after 10 minutes, Alpha Quebec.
Due to traffic, continue turning right, heading 310. Due to traffic, just Severn.
Copy the traffic, we turning right 310, 5 Alpha Tango. Radar 5 Alpha Tango request.
Radar Alpha Tango.
Requesting flight level 100 due weather.
Roger, climb level 100 and continue on present heading. Solvay.
Continue on present heading, climbing flight level 100, 5 Alpha Tango.
Taradi 2716, contact radar 1257.
Radar 1257, Taradi 2716.
Tango radar, confirm estimate decay at 1143.
Estimated 1144, 5 Alpha Tango.
44 decay subject, report for descent.
We'll report ready for descent next if we can get the latest surface data, 5 Alpha Tango.
Radar 5 Mike India, establish level Nano 5 normal operation.
5 Mike India, radar, now reported traffic, flight level 905, report 60 pounds. Negative contact, the information is there, not quite that moment.
Radar, Radar, this is 5 Alpha, Mike India 14064, good morning.
From Alpha Mike India Radar, good morning. Please switch to the second set for the scope. Now reported traffic flight level 905 to Ansui and report for estimate.
Estimate in 60, also will be at 0406, 150, also will be at 0500, and Ansui destination will be at 0550.
Thanks, you're now identified 52 climbing 905.
From Alpha Python Moment and flight 090, reporting contact with Thomas. Okay, contact with Thomas.
Good morning. Bravo Hotel, Radar, good morning, identified, passing flight 051, I reported traffic flight 090, correction 905, report for estimate.
6540, 15615, destination 647, Alpha Bravo Hotel.
Climb flight 110, flight ground route, 60 nautical miles clearance limit. Report for estimate.
Estimating 600530, Tata Tanana 0555.
Copy, thank you.
Radar for 5 Hotel Mike Romeo, request from present position, direct Victor Sierra Papa.
5 Mike Romeo, from present position, now you may proceed, direct Victor Sierra Papa.
From present position, direct Victor Sierra Papa, approve the 5 Mike Romeo.
Radar for Victor, thank you for estimate.
Go ahead, please. Donkey, go ahead.
Thank you, we estimating the real time 0520 and Mike Tango destination 054.
Victor, that is Capitaines, thanks.
Radar 5 on the descent.
5 on good.
Ma'am, we are ready for descent.
Descent to 8,000 feet, connection 015.
8,000 feet, 1015. Can you confirm runway 29?
5 Tango, proceed direct Anosi for fewer Zulu runway 29 approach. You are cleared approach, descent to 7,000 feet, connection 015.
Direct and also for the VR Zulu runway 29, clear for the approach, down to 7,000 feet, 5 off a second.
Okay, from Mike India 053, you may proceed direct Victor Sierra Papa, report for estimate.
From Mike India 053, direct 150 and estimating 150 at 50, Dolania 0540.
Direct 150 out and report 150 negative contact and information on Twitter.
So right now we can proceed direct 150 out and call you at 150, 129 for this frequency, Salut 6716. Confirm?
Okay.
Okay.
One 34 contact Mauritius Center now on 129 before to the
129 Ifly, Mauritius 1.
Salut 318, Siva Tower clearance Siva to Sambat, level 190, fake Katla clearance limit, after airport runway 11, CMM1 eco departure.
Clearance Samiva to Sambat, level 190 via Katla, limit of clearance, after airport 11, CMM1 eco departure, Salut 318.
The 318 Siva Tower clearance correct, approaching Whiskey, enter in the line up runway 11, report ready for departure.
Approaching Whiskey, we'll enter on the line up 11, next call ready for departure, runway 11, Salut 318.
Flight 320, request flight 340, Edelweiss 71.
Edelweiss 71, climb initially flight 320, copy opposite direction, traffic Corsair 752, aircraft type Airbus 333, presently maintaining flight 390, expected time of crossing at 14, report sighting and passing if possible.
Rotary climb flight 320 and be looking out and Colio passing the traffic at Edelweiss 71.
Edelweiss 71, report clear of the traffic.
Real Colio.
November X-ray, airborne at 08, contact radar 1257.
You have control.
I have control.
November Whiskey, climb flight level 105, report 60 out. November Whiskey, re-cleared 105.
Cleared for 105 November Whiskey.
Fs2crew, contact Sana Radar 1257 and squawk 3431.
Are you ready for approach brief?
Okay.
The arrival routing will be via ATC vectors. For air-nav approach, planning a flap 30 landing, final approach fixed altitude is 6,500 feet, decision altitude is 200 feet, missed approach altitude is 6,500 feet, taxi route will be assigned by ATC, will be arriving at the gate, descent speeds and navigation radius are set. Airport NOTAMs have been reviewed. Any questions, comments or concerns?
No questions.
Approach brief complete.
5 November X-ray report 60 miles outbound level 105. Air 950 to narrator, good afternoon. Squawk 3431. Air 950 proceed direct to Balbi for the ILS Zulu runway 11. November Whiskey and November X-ray contaction 1289.
When 950 tower, confirm level 380.
We'd like flight level 370 for only at 950.
When 950 380 is okay for because you are on westbound track. Confirm 380.
I have control.
You have control.
Descent checklist.
Descent checklist. Pressurization. Landing altitude is 5650 feet. Recall checked. Auto brake level 2. Landing data.
VREF 144. Minimums 200 feet.
VREF 144. Minimums 200 feet. Approach briefing
completed.
Descent checklist completed.
Approach ONA 950, good morning on departure 210,000, flight level 100.
Air 950 Sana, good day again. The contact climb 2 and maintain level 30 on Victor Sierra Papa for echo departure.
Thanks, climb to flight level 38, ONA at 950.
Sana Radio 5, go ahead. Kolkata 1151, North Baltic traffic 160 on the report, pick up.
5145 Sénégal 424, Korea 47. Go 424, San level 50. Five 145 Sénégal 424, Korea 47. Emirates 797, heavy request descent. Descent 3000 clips, the RNAV 19 to report to position close up, Emirates 797 heavy. '97 heavy approaching coastal. '97 heavy approaching coastal.
Côte d'Ivoire 701, passing level 10, climbing level 390. We estimate Tango Delta at 1743, Gatil 1754 and destination 1940, Côte d'Ivoire 701.
Ghana 0, I'm maintaining flight level 330, direct to left. Senegal 104, request descent.
Senegal 418, requesting descent.
Côte d'Ivoire 700, reducing speed and requesting descent now. Descent level 50, Côte d'Ivoire 700. Côte d'Ivoire 700, reducing speed and requesting descent now. Bonsoir, Senegal 203, passing 1,400 feet.
Antonio Banshee 852, morning, approaching 8,200, climbing to flight level 340, union 1 echo.
Brisbane 3852, radar contact, climb flat level 340.
Have Golf Bravo, clear level 230, squawk 3366, and contact 25475.
Salut, 6, good morning.
This 316 Tameda, good morning, climb flat level 190 to Diego.
Kitana, clear level 260, go ahead, estimate 150 miles.
Golf Bravo, reduce now and then, and radar contact passing level 215, climbing 230, proceed Baldi for ALS to runway 11 approach.
Hi, Romeo Mike, November X-ray at good morning.
Break 3 Bravo, Sierra Kilo Yankee, request descent.
Kilo Yankee, descent flat level 110.
Descent level 150, 3 Kilo Yankee.
November X-ray at confirm scope 1236.
November X-ray, no reported traffic level 85, scope 1236. Palima Alpha, radar contact reported. November Yankee, traffic 8, 60 miles 0917, 150 miles at 1002, and destination at 1152. Over. November Yankee report reaching level 8 Pala.
5 Romeo Hotel, Mike Romeo, scope into 357, crossing flight level 16.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
230, comply with 331 echo departure.
Mike Hotel, 5 Romeo Hotel, Mike Romeo, good morning, radar contact, climb set level 330.
Number 3 on sequence, continue present heading for delay.
Continue, copy number 1150, number 2 on sequence, continue present heading, and we are in good condition, we'll be able to perform left and downwind for runway 11.
Qatar 1150, visual approach approved, but number 3, descend initially, flight level 100, call you back shortly.
Visual approach approved, descend flight level 100.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we start our descent, please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their upright position. Make sure your seat belt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you or an overhead bin. Please turn off all electronic devices until we are safely parked at the gate. Thank you.
That's on visual, number 2 beyond traffic, ATR 76, final runway 11, port traffic inside.
Number 2, and we have the previous traffic inside, Qatar 1150.
Number 2 behind, port final behind.
Number 2, report on final behind, Qatar 1150.
Limaiko and left us landing runway 11.
Limaiko, that's our, say again. You're on visual, number 2 behind traffic, no shots, final runway 11, port traffic inside.
Limaiko number 2 and we have the traffic inside.
Salut 310, that's our born time 10, contact and approach 125.7.
Then approach on 125.7, Saudi 310, thank you.
Welcome.
Flight deck. Okay, thanks. Captain, the cabin is secure.
Lima Bravo, radio check.
Lima Bravo, that's our better, 3 bar pass.
Okay, go to final.
Transition set altimeter 1016.
1016. Set passing 10,500. Now
checked.
Approach Saudi 310, sparking 5226, good morning.
Saudi 31, good morning, identified, time flight level 17.
climb level 170, report reaching ready 310.
Looking at 555, select for ILS below approach runway 01, this one established.
What report established on the ILS for runway
10,000.
01, looking at 555, and typical.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be arriving at our destination shortly. If you are making a connection to another flight, please see the customer service agent meeting this flight or video monitors inside the terminal for connecting gate information. For your continued safety, flight attendants will now walk through the cabin to secure it for landing. We'll be collecting all service items, newspapers, and any other items you wish to discard or may not be taking off the aircraft with you. Also, in preparation for landing, please turn off all electronic devices. Stow these
Approaching
devices
checklist.
and all
Approach
carry-on
checklist.
items.
Alternatives.
1016 set.
1016 set. Approach checklist completed.
Seats to their upright positions and check the security of your seatbelts. We will be landing shortly. Thank you.
On the localizer for the ILS 101, Burkina 555.
555, radar service terminated, contact the Just Tower 18
Radio altimeter alive.
Burkina 525.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1 set.
Shenzhou 110, I firm report established on island. Careful approach KLX 01, call you back established Shenzhou 110.
Press star 5.
1000 to level.
Flaps 5.
Speed checked.
635 tower. Make 180 turn on the first loop, then backtrack, packet via Echo Taxiway. For stand number 2.
Thank you, backtrack via
Flaps 5 set.
Taxiway Echo and stand number 2. Thank you, Brian Sergeant. 35.
1000 feet, not stable.
Turn left only, runway 11, report on left only.
Continue on left and downwind on the runway 11, Alpha Golf Kilo.
Final approach fix, height checked, missed approach altitude is set. Gear down.
Flaps 30.
Check speed.
03, wind 170 degrees, 15 knots.
Flaps 30.
Speed checked, 500 feet. Flaps 30 set.
Manual flight.
Autopilot off.
Sync rate. Sync rate. 03, runway 14, wind 180 degrees, 15 knots. Sync rate. Capitaines.
Speed brake up.
That was tricky. Good landing after all.
Reversers normal. Auto brake disarmed.
Manual braking.
60 knots.
Checked.
424 on final 01. Legal 424, just our Bonjour. Report 4 miles final. Call you 4 miles final, saying 44.
gentlemen, this is the conclusion of our flight. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign and the aircraft is parked safely at the gate. This will be your indication it is safe to move about the cabin, gather your belongings, and disembark. We'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We appreciate your business and hope to see you again on a future flight.
Low approach, VFR pattern, and then
Juliet Tower, route go around, wind 210 degrees, for next left turn.
left turn for the VFR pattern, 5 Golf, Juliet, and go around the two.
APU on the buses.
Romeo Papa, Hotel Tower, continue approach, pure through runway 29, wind 180 degrees, 3 knots, QNH 1015. What Hi, Romeo Papa, Tango Tower, good day, continue approach, fuel through runway 29, wind 270 degrees, 1 knots, QNH 1015. Report November Tango and Funnel.
Continue approach and report November Tango and Funnel, so.
Tower, you are number 2 behind the light 410. You will packet via whiskey.
Number 2 behind traffic,
Three minutes.
Destination 180 Tower, number 1, wind 140 degrees, report from 111.
Lights and doors.
Check. Cabin crew, disarm doors and cross-check.
Tower, United Nations 181 Hotel, 8 miles bound, with descent.
Correct, United Nations 180 Tower, vacate via Whiskey Taxiway, landing time 27.
Whiskey Taxiway 27.
Shutdown checklist.
Stand by.
The boarding requested.
Shutdown checklist.
Fuel pumps off. Probe heat off. Hydraulic panel set. Flaps
up.
Parking brake
set.
Engine start levers.
Cut off.
Weather radar
off.
Off. Shutdown checklist completed.
November Victor, join right down in the only 11, report right down.
We report right hand surface.
Passenger's bus is coming.
Net 1 Hotel, Liver South, you turn and runway 11, wind 110 degrees, 12 knots.
Traffic 11.
November Victoria Tower, turn right base, runway 11, report right base.
Report right base.
Salut 313, position W.
Salut 313, Tower, good day. Continue approach LA Salut runway 11, wind 120 degrees, 10 knots, QNH 1018, report 40 ml on final.
Salut 313, continue approach LA Salut runway 11, 1018, next call 4 nautical miles on final.
November Victor, number 1, report final.
Number 1, report final.
To disarm the cross-check.
Salut 313, Tower, welcome to Kilo. Wind 140 degrees,
Salut 313, runway 11, clear plan.
Quebec, clearing final for touch.
Papa Quebec, clear touch and go runway 11, wind 170 degrees, 3 knots.
Take touch and go 5 Quebec. Quebec, turning final.
Quebec, clear touch and go runway 11, 130 degrees, 4 knots.
Big touch 5 Quebec.
Charlie Micro 101 Tower, continue approach Ifly runway 11, wind 120 degrees 11 knots, QNH 1025.
Runway 1110, check 570.
Directly to land runway 11, wind 140 degrees 5 knots.
Okay, land runway 11, 101.
Patagonia reported traffic for your descent and plan is closed for the next flight to midnight rooms. Book 514 Book with airport.
Raiders are the 8505.
The 8505, radar going up.
20 miles, field inside, request visual.
The 8505, visual approach approved. Descent on zone concentration, specific altitude, QNH 1024. Contact Evator 150.
1201, thank you so much, bye, 8505. On final 1130 8505.
Saturday 8505 tower, clear to land runway 11, wind 130 degrees 10 knots.
Clear to land 11, the 8505.
The 8505 tower, make 180 on the runway, backtrack to vacate via Charlie taxi and did at 19.
180 and we'll vacate via Charlie taxi UX30 8505.
Ethiopian 3853 tower, good day. Expect correction. Continue LS approach runway 11, 100 degrees 5 knots, QNH 1025. Report 4 miles. LS on final.
Okay, continue on ILS, call you 4 miles final, Ethiopian 3853.
Hotel Mike Romeo, you got tower, vacate via Charlie taxi and did at 15.
Ethiopian 3853 tower, clear to land runway 170 degrees 5 knots.
Clear to land, Ethiopian 353, 6 miles now.
Ethiopian 3853 tower, make connect at the loop, backtrack, vacate via Eco Taxiway for bay number 4. Port Marshal inside.
180 at the loop, we'll vacate via Eco, call the Marshal inside.
Secure the aircraft, please. Pre-flight checklist.
Stand by.